Good morning. Today we're going to discuss about the resonance circuits. Okay. Uh, First of all, what are the main topics of this today video? The first one is series resonance, parallel resonance, and again series resonance in resonant. What is the resonant frequency? What is the off power frequency? And what is the bandwidth and the quality factor? And again parallel resonance. What is the resonant frequency? What is the off power frequency and bandwidth and quality factor and applications of resonance circuits. The first of all, what is the meaning of resonance? Okay, the resonance is a condition in RLC circuits with the capacitive and reactance. The capacitive reactance and reactive reactance are equal in the magnitude. They are resulting the purely raised to impedance. Means XL minus XC equal to 0. XL equal to XC equal to XL, thereby resulting the purely raised to impedance. So XL minus X equal to 0, what will happen? The impedance equal to resistor. So the circuit will be the purely resistive impedance circuits. Okay, these resonance circuits are useful for constructing the filter and used for many applications. The first of all, series resonance. The series resonance in RLC circuits, the circuit consisting of, consider the circuit consisting of one resistance, one inductance, and one capacitance. Okay, now applying the voltage to the three elements. Okay, the voltage will Vs equal to Vm into sin omega t. Okay, at resonance, the impedance consisting only raised to component R because of their XL minus XC equal to 0. So XL equal to XC. The value of current will be maximum since the impedance is minimum. Okay, the current value will be maximum because of the impedance will be minimum. The voltage and currents are there are in phase because of this is a purely resistive circuits. Because why means XC reactance, capacitor reactance and inductance reactance are both are equal. So this is a purely resistive network. So the voltage and currents are in phases, and the maximum power occurs at resonance since the power factor is unity. Okay, and the total impedance of these circuits is R plus JXL minus XC. Okay, so here what the reactance? The reactance with the resonance condition, the reactance 0. The reactance is XL minus XC equal to 0. XL equal to, so now XL equal to XC. Okay, now so you have to find the resonant frequency. The resonant frequency means the resonant frequency is the frequency where the condition resonance is occurs. The resonant condition. The resonance condition is XL minus X equal to 0, XL equal to 2 pi FL, and X equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. So F equal to 1 by 2 pi whole square into root over LC. Okay, not the only F value, F equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. The final resonant frequency is F naught equal to 1 by 2 pi into LC. And again, half power frequency. The half power frequency is the frequency when the magnitude of the output voltage or current, the output voltage or output current is decreased by the factor 1 by 2 from the maximum value. Is although cutoff frequency equal to omega n equal to what will happen 1 minus r by 2l plus root over or r by 2l whole square by 1 by LC. And 1 omega t equal to r by 2l plus root over r by 2l whole square plus 1 by LC. Now we have to find what is the meaning of bandwidth. The bandwidth means the difference between the two half power frequency. Okay, F2 minus F1 equal to is called as a bandwidth. The bandwidth is the response curve to determine the width of the response curve is determined by bandwidth. So, or one more definition of the bandwidth is resistance by L. The unit of the bandwidth is radians per second. Okay, this is a current response waveform. Here, the omega 1 minus is this is omega 1 first half frequency, lower frequency or first half of frequency. The second one is omega 2. Omega t is second half of frequency. This difference is called as a bandwidth. Okay, the maximum value is Vm by R, I value. This is current response waveform. This is a maximum value, Im. Im equal to V by Vm by R. This point is called as a 1 by root of omega m by r. Okay. The same response in also voltage response curve. Okay, voltage response curve is V equal to I into R, so Im into R is 0.707 into Im into R. Okay. Next one is quality factor. Okay. The resonance means the condition is occurs the reactance is equal to zero. That condition is called as resonance condition. The resonant frequency means its frequency to occur the resonance, that is called as resonant frequency, and f naught equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC, and bandwidth means the difference between the two half hour frequency, that is called as bandwidth. The next one is quality factor. The quality factor means the resonant frequency by bandwidth is also there is a ratio of resonant frequency to the bandwidth. Okay, Q equal to resonant frequency by bandwidth. Omega bandwidth means R by L. So omega L by R. Okay, that is called as a quality factor. The quality factor versus bandwidth. The higher value of the Q is smaller than the bandwidth. Okay, and the air selective. The lower value of the Q is larger of the bandwidth. Okay, this is a quality factor versus bandwidth. Quality factor versus bandwidth, because of the quality factor is inversely proportional to bandwidth. The bandwidth is low, quality factor is high. Quality factor is high, the bandwidth is low. The bandwidth is high, quality factor is low. Okay. Then as resonance circuits is parallel resonance circuit. Okay, now there are three elements: the resistance, inductance, and capacitance. Both are three elements are connected to the connected in parallel to the voltage sources. Okay, now here the impedance means the reciprocal of impedance. Okay, 1 by Z equal to 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z2 plus 1 by Z3. So 1 by Z equal to total impedance equal to 1 by Z1 plus 1 by Z1 equal to Y1, 1 by Z2 equal to Y2, 1 by Z3 equal to Y3. So 1 by Y. So total impedance equal to 1 by Z1 means 1 by R, 1 by YT equal to 1 by L, and 1 by Y3 equal to 1 by C, reactance. So the total impedance equal to 1 by R equal to J of omega C minus 1 by R. Okay, the resonance occurs omega C equal to by omega R, omega L. If the resonance impedance is constantly, that is called as a G, the reciprocal of impedance, okay, is called as a conductance. The value of current will be minimum. Okay, the total impedance is maximum. Okay, the voltage and currents are both are in phases. In series resonance, in series resonance, the value of current will be maximum. The impedance is minimum. In series resonance, in parallel resonance, the current will be minimum. The total impedance is maximum. The resonant frequency here omega equal to 1 by root or LC. Okay, that is enough. But in series resonance, the series circuits, the resonance frequency is omega not equal to 1 by 2 pi into root over LC. The half hour frequency in resonance series circuit omega n into omega 2 is 1 by root of RC plus under root 1 by 2 RC whole square plus 1 by LC. And omega t equal to 1 by 2 RC plus root over 1 by 2 RC whole square plus 1 by LC. Okay. Here the quality factor. The quality factor means in any circuits, quality factor means the resonant frequency by bandwidth. Okay, bandwidth means the difference between the two frequencies. In series circuits, R by L. In parallel circuits, 1 by RC. Okay. So now in series resonance and RLC circuits, the current lags behind or leads the upward voltage depending on the value of XL and XC. Okay. This is a series RLC circuits. Discuss already told. The series circuits, the resonance means XL minus X equal to 0, XL equal to omega L, 1 by omega C. Okay. So the finally you get the XL equal to X, omega equal to omega. Omega means 2 pi FR and omega 2 pi FR. FR whole square equal to 1 by 4 F square into rho LC. FR equal to 1 by root over 4 F square into LC. So FR equal to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. That is called as a resonant frequency. Okay. For example, to find the resonance frequency, the resistance is 10 ohms and the inductance is 0.5 millihenry and the capacitance 10 microfarad. To find the resonant frequency equal to 1 by root pi into 2 LC. Okay, 2 pi f into root L value is 0.5 millihenry into 10 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 6. The final value is 2.25 is resonant frequency. And this is a z equal to root over r square minus omega square. This is a waveform of series resonance and series voltage waveform and current waveforms. Okay, this is the impedance value. This is a current value. Because of the impedance is increases, the current value decreases. Impedance is increases, current value decreases. Okay. Next one is bandwidth. Bandwidth is a the difference between the 2 points, omega f2 minus f1, and quality factor is f2 minus f1. Okay. The cutoff frequency in the circuit is 1 by 2 pi into root over L, 1 by LC minus R square by 2L square. For example, the problem is the series circuits R value is 10 ohm, L equal to 0.1 Henry, is equal to 50 microfarads. The voltage is 50. Okay. FL equal to 1 by 2 pi, 1 by 2 pi into root LC, root over 1 by 1 minus R square C into 2L. Okay, 72.08. The FC equal to 1 by 2 pi into 1 by root LC into R square minus 2L square. Okay, the cutoff frequency. And the FR equal to resonant frequency means 71.18. Substituting the all the inductance elements values. Now bandwidth. The bandwidth means I already told the difference between the 2 points is called as a bandwidth. Okay, the one bandwidth is W1 and one more is W2. You have to find the W1 and W2. W1 equal to F1. F1 equal to minus 2R by root over 2 square R square plus 4LC by 4F1. F2 equal to plus R plus root over 4 square R square plus 4LC by C into 2 4F1. Okay. That is bandwidth. And quality factor means the quality factor is the ratio of air to power to the inductor or capacitor to the true power in resistance. So that is one of the definition. Quality factor is equal to 2 pi into magnitude divided by energy dissipated per cycle of LI scale. Quality factor is equal to 2 pi into half 2 into LI scale by half square R into I square R by 2 into T omega L by R. That is one definition. One more definition is quality factor is the frequency, the resonant frequency bandwidth. Okay. Thank you.